So number 1A, Outrigger first. Number 3, Destiny's Turn, please, second.
What's up, guys? It's actually 4:54 in the morning. Yeah, actually on our way to Houston. Found the car. Gonna go look at it and make sure that everything is good. This is gonna be the new replacement for my Mach 1 that I had. Hopefully everything works out. Should arrive about 6 hours from now and hopefully be done by 12 p.m. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the car, the whole situation with the flood. They totaled out my vehicle. I was really just waiting for that news to happen. That way I can make this video and show the replacement. A lot of you guys know I had that car for 3 weeks. I didn't even get to fully enjoy the car. So while I was looking for the new replacement, I was like, I love the V8. It's gotta be something that I enjoy. I know that a lot of bad stuff has been happening to me, but at the end of the day, everything happens for a reason, right? So yeah, man, I picked up this car literally 2 days ago. Today's Monday. Last time I picked up a car in Houston, y'all also know that the Cadillac Blackwing had some issues on it. Paint was fucked up. Turns out it was in an accident. I didn't even know. So honestly, this is the car, man. This is the car, 2022 Mach 1. This one isn't white. Everything's the exact same, just is gold certified. So it came with a 100,000 powertrain warranty just in case. But it's all white Mustang. Initially, this was the color that I wanted. I'm not gonna lie. The Antarctic gray or whatever it was called. That one is just because that's all they had. But this color is fucking sick. I feel like I can make this car look way nicer with some mods in the future, some wheels, things like that. You got your signature Mach 1 stripes, your vents, Mach 1 wheels, not on the handling package, red Brembos, Mach 1 logo. This isn't the handling package, so I don't get the front lip, and I also don't get the rear spoiler at the end, but I did buy a rear spoiler already for the other car. So I have everything there. I just need to go pay somebody to install it. Honestly, I don't want to mess with it. I mean, I could, right? But I'd rather pay somebody to do the work on my car, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Car right here has leather seats. Fix the exposure again. There you go. Major damage though. With this car, I actually got a better deal on it than the other one. This right here is chipping. Oh well, fix that later. It does come with tint already. This angle's fucking beautiful. 12,000 miles on a 2022, extended warranty all on it. I really want to mod this car and I want to show y'all the process of it and take y'all on this journey with me to make this car look even better. The car's already fucking nice. Runs good. It does run smoother than the other one that I had. Take y'all on a drive real quick. Before I do that though, I do want to take some photos so that way I can post it on the Instagram. Here you go. Something about this car, man. Alright, just driving by to see what's up. Got more cars coming over here. What the fuck do they want? I'm just trying to record some videos. Alright, man. 2 cars pass by just to see what's up. Yeah, man, let's go. That's basically it. That's the car. Again, guys, everything is the same. I'm not gonna lie. Just the leather seats, the color. I mean, my main features that I like compared to the Cadillac, it has a digital dash, right? I could also change it. Let's see. Track apps, my mode. Okay, don't judge. I'm still new. There you go. Sport. There you go. Change the cluster. I can change these lights right here. The screen's a little bit smaller, but it's okay. Obviously, it's not white leather seats like my freaking Cadillac, but I mean, overall, man, this car, great condition. You also have your, it's dark. You also have your ambient lighting down there. Other side. Alright, let's get out of here because they're gonna start calling the cops and shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. If anybody has some ideas on what I should post, leave a comment down below. Or if anybody locally is down to shoot some videos on their car, let me know as well. We can post them, collab, do whatever we gotta do. See you on the next video. If you haven't followed me on my Instagram, go ahead and do so. Follow me, show some love, show some support. I'll definitely be posting more. But yeah, guys, see you on the next video. Take care. Actually, I need to do some cinematic shots and add them onto the video, because that's what I want to do. I want to take my videography to the next level and make it look way better. So